Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the agriculture investment website script. So basically this is a TreeVest latest version script. Viewers, in this video we are gonna completely make this website from scratch on our hosting server. Be with us and watch this video till end. First of all, I am gonna give you the complete overview of this website. It is completely controllable from admin panel. After that, I will completely install the script on my hosting server. So viewers, if you wanna purchase this script or if you want us to build the complete website for you, including everything, we will do it for you. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support. So WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us if you wanna buy. Here, before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel from here and press the bell icon. Viewers, if you need any type of investment website, mining, order grabbing, power bank, PTC website, banking website, mining website, casino gaming website, all type of casino, order grabbing, loan management system, all type of websites are available. You can just visit our channel if you need any type of website. So you can just visit our channel if you need any type of website, or you can contact us. We will provide you all the details. Let's start this video. First of all, you can look at its amazing animated homepage. It has a very amazing look and it's for agriculture investment website. You can use it for any type of investment, but basically this is for agriculture investments. Here on the top you can see the latest plans on your website. You can see there is a plan over here and you can see total price of plan, ROE of the plan over here. And basically you can create, user can also view the videos over here, and you can create as many as plans you want from admin panel, and user can invest in these plan in a way user want. So user can just click on it and user can invest in these plans. So here user can see all the details about this project and overview and everything. Here's a referral link as well that user can invite different people, and here user can just enter amount and invest in this plan from here. Here is why to choose us section, so you can list about your website details. Here are the popular plans, investment plans are here, so you can list popular investment plans in this section. Here is a complete process, sign up, choose project, investment. You can change everything at logo, etc. All the details are changeable from admin panel. This is a client testimonial, you can list them from admin panel. And here is some other blogs, etc. You can insert the blogs on your website as well. Top investors will be shown over here. You can list all details related to your website. Latest transaction will appear over here, and you can also remove the section you want from admin panel, or we will do it from you if you buy from us. Here is FAQ section, there's a blog article section, and there's a footer section. You can add your social medias, etc. text, whatever you want to add, you can add it over here in this section. Now if user wanna visit these pages separately, like about us section, so user can visit these pages separately as well. So here user can visit all these pages like about, project, milestone page. User can visit these pages separately. So you can see there is a milestone and blog pages. We can visit them separately from here. Here is a contact page, and user can contact the admin of website, and you can list all your contact, map, company details over here in this section. So here is a language. So currently there are 3 languages, but you can list as many as languages you want from admin panel. So it's completely easy to insert a language. I'll show you how we can do that. So this video is going to be the complete guide how you can completely manage this website and you can make this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end. Currently I'm showing you the demo, but we will completely make our site from scratch at the end. So watch this video till the end. Here is a login page, so user can log in if user have an account. Now if user don't have an account, user can go to sign up and user can click on create sign up and user can create account. So here we will enter our name. Here after entering name, here we have to enter our email. Here we have to enter our password. After entering these details, fill the reCAPTCHA. click on I agree, click on create account, and account will be created. So it will redirect us to other page. So here we have to fill our details, like currently I'm just entering the demo username. Here we'll have to enter a phone number and enter your demo details over here. So you can use email verifications as well, but currently I'm just showing you how we can completely manage this website. So this is the amazing user dashboard of this website. It has a very amazing look. It can work on mobile or laptop or any device you have. Here user can see all its balance, user can see its total investments, total invested in trees. Here user can see all its profit, deposit, withdrawal, live project. User can see its referral earning, completed investments over here in this section. And here user can see the complete successful projects. User can see all its latest profits over here. Here is the investment section, so user can go to investment log and see all its investment details. Currently we haven't invested in any plan, so here user can go to invest now, and from here user can invest in any plan. Just click on it, and here user can invest in plan. So just enter the amount you want to invest and click on invest now to invest money in the plan. Here user can deposit money on the website. Click on deposit money. Here there are many automatic and manual payment gateways are available in order to invest money. So you can see all these gateways are available, like crypto gateways and other gateways, PayPal, Paystack, Paytm, Pay, and all these gateways are available. You can use them. Now if you want to create your own country gateway, manual gateway, if you're from any country, you can create that as well from admin panel. Enter the amount, click on confirm deposit, and you can easily deposit money on the website. Here's the withdrawal section. So same like deposit, you can withdraw your money from this website. So you can withdraw through bank payments or any other payment gateway. Same like deposit, you can create a withdrawal method from admin panel. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and you can easily withdraw your money. Currently we don't have any money, so we cannot withdraw. Here is support ticket section. So here user can see all its ticket history, and here user can create a support ticket on the website. So enter the details and user can create a support ticket from here. Here user can see all its transaction. Here is a referral section. So here user can see its referral link and invite different people to earn money through referrals. Here is a setting option. So user can do its profile setting, change its password and set to FA, and here is a logout option. So viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how we can completely manage this website from admin panel. So I'm going directly to the admin login page. So viewers, now I am on my admin login page. Here you can see that here you have to enter your details in order to log into admin. Details are all already entered, so we'll click on login, and when I click on login, it will redirect me to my dashboard. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin dashboard of this website. Viewers, it has a very amazing admin panel from where we can completely control this website. First of all, you can see the total users on the website, total active users on website, email unverified user, mobile unverified users. Here you can see the total deposits on the website and pending deposit, deposit charges, withdrawals, total deposits, withdrawals, running investments, total investments, and you can see the amazing graphs related to investments on the website. So it has a very amazing look of the dashboard. So viewers, from here you can completely manage the website. Here admin can view the notification of user registration, deposits. Every notification will come here, so you can view that. From investment reports, admin can completely view the investment reports on the website. So you can see all the investment report over here in this section, and you can evaluate it. Here is project manager, so you can set different project managers from here. You can basically create the plans on the website. So here click on add new, and by filling these details, it's a very simple details for agriculture investments. So you can create the plan from here, enter the name, slug, per tree amount. Here basically these are all the investment right things. And if you want to add video, you can add video link. Here you can set the time for the investments and profit, and you can basically list the plan from here easily. So it's a very easy way to list a plan. You can see the existing plans over here in this section. Now if you want to edit those plans over here, click on more and you can edit them, and you can see their invest history, disable them, or do their SEO from here. And basically you can set all these project plan details from here. Here are the user section, so you can view complete all the users on the website over here. Now if you want to edit any user, click on details, and you can add balance to user account, you can subtract balance from user account, you can manage them, you can log in as user, and you can ban the user as well. So this feature is also here. You can view the email unverified, mobile unverified users, KYC unverified user, and you can approve their KYC. And here you can see all the users and you can send them notifications over here. From manage referrals, you can set multiple levels of commission on deposit, on investment commission, and here you can also set commission on interest, referral commission on interest. Here when user requests a deposit using manual gateway, it will come here and you can approve the deposit request of user. You can download their screenshot, you can approve deposits or reject them. And similarly you can view all deposit related activities here. Here is a withdrawal section, so you can view all the withdrawal related things over here in this section. Here you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of user, and you can see their withdrawal details. Here you can view the support tickets of user, and you can answer the support tickets of users. Here is a report section, so you can view the transaction history, login history, and notification history report. In this section there is the system settings. From general settings, basically you can change the name of website, you can change the color of website if you want to use any other color. You can change it. You can change the currency of website. You can use this website in any of your local currency. Here is a logo and favicon. You can change the logo of this website from here. Just click the logo and you can change it. Viewers, it is a very amazing website script. Now if you want to buy it, you can just contact us and we will provide you the script, and we will provide you complete support as well, so you don't need to worry about anything if you buy it from us. And here is the system configuration settings. From system configuration, basically you can turn on of different features like email verification, mobile verification, language options, and force SSL user registration. You can turn them on off from here. Here's a notification setting. Here's a payment gateway setting. So as I told you, here are 30 plus automatic gateways are available. All of them are worldwide accepted: RoserPay, Paytm, Stripe, PayPal, and BTC Pay, Binance. Automatic payment gateways are available. You can use automatic gateways for deposit, or you can create the manual gateway. So you can create EasyPaisa, Jazz Cash, Paytm. You can create any of the manual gateway. Just fill these details, simple details, and you can create the gateway. So your user can pay you and send you screenshot, and you can approve that. Here a withdrawal method, same like deposit. You can create the withdrawal methods. You can edit the existing withdrawal method. Click on add new in order to add the new withdrawal method. So from here you can easily add a new withdrawal method on your website. Here is SEO configuration, so you can do the complete SEO of your website directly from here. You don't need to go anywhere else. You can do the complete SEO from here. Here is manage front end. So from here you can manage the complete front end of your website, like band page, banner page. Suppose I want to edit the banner section, so I can edit the banner from here easily. So here banner is complete editable, so you can edit this banner. And we'll go back. Here's a blog section. You can insert the blogs from here, or you can set up the blog page over here. So here you can edit all the blogs, or you can do their SEO, or you can edit them the details. If you want to insert a new blog, just click on add new, and you can easily add a new blog to your website. And similarly, all these pages are editable. If you want to edit them, you can easily edit them from here. From manage pages, you can insert extra pages. You can do KYC settings, social login setting. From language, you can insert multiple languages on your website. Click on add new, and you can easily add a new language to your website. So here are extensions. You can run cron jobs, policy pages, maintenance mode. You can turn them on, off, and these are all the settings. Viewers, this was all about the website overview. Now we will go to our hosting, and we will completely install the script on our hosting server. Now let's go and let's completely install this. Before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So viewers, to install this TreeVest latest version script, what you have to do is you all must have to log into your cPanel or hPanel that you are using. So currently we are using Hostinger hPanel, so we will install it on this our hosting. So now you can see this is our domain, and here I'll go to my file manager. You almost have to go to your file manager in order to install the script, and it will redirect you to your public HTML folder. And now viewers, here what you have to do is you have to click on public HTML over here, and after that here we will install it on our subdomain demo3.moneygrowth.online. Now you can see that I have already uploaded the script in order to save our time. So you can see that script has already uploaded. Now what you have to do is you have to click here and you have to upload the file. So it will be appeared same like this. So I've already uploaded it. Now viewers, what you have to do is in order to install this zip file to the script, here what you have to do is you have to click on extract, and you have to click here and you have to extract all the files into the root directory of this hosting. So it is extracting all the files, so you have to wait for it. So files are extracted successfully. Here you can see there is a one documentation folder and one is file folder. So you have to go to this file folder and you will see all these 5 different files folders over here. Now what you have to do, you have to move all the files into the root directory of our subdomain. Click on move and all the files will move successfully to our root directory. Now viewers, what you have to do is you have to type your domain name. So here we will type our domain name over here. So you can see that it is asking us to increase our PHP version. So let's increase our PHP version from here. So after increasing this PHP version, what you have to do is you have to go to your domain again over here and just refresh this domain, and it will open the installer window. So here installer has opened successfully. Click on I agree, next step. Here you have to give all these permissions. So here we will give all the permissions quickly. Go to core, go to bootstrap. Here in cache you have to give permission. Similarly, we will give permission to storage folder over here. And we will quickly give some other permissions as well that were required in order to run the website. So we will just quickly give all this permission to framework and the logs folder. Now we will just refresh this, and here we will go to next step. And here we have to enter our database details that were required in order to install this. So we'll go to PHP, so this dashboard over here, we'll go to database section and we'll just scroll and go to management section. Now here we have to create the database and user for our database. So in order to create the database, so we'll create the database with name tree. So we'll use the same username, but you can use the different names as well. It completely depends on you what name you will use, so you are free to use any of the name you want. Click on create, and the database has created successfully. So now we will just copy our name of database. So from this section, put the name here, and here you can see that here put your local host, enter your password, enter username for admin. So carefully enter the admin details, because these were the details that you will use to log into your admin panel. So carefully enter these details. Enter the email for admin, click on install now, and your script will install successfully. So here you can see that our system has installed successfully. Now when I click on go to website and activate, it will install our script. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully installed the script on our hosting server, and you can see that this amazing website is live. I already guided you about each and everything related to this website. So this is our newly created website. Now we can go to admin panel and we can completely manage this website. We can make the plans, as I already guided you about each and everything, how you will do all the things, how you will make plans, how you will make the payment gateways. So it's completely simple. And viewers, if you buy from us, we will give you the complete support, so you don't need to worry about anything if you buy it from us, and we will completely support you in everything, in every problem. So we will be with you. So viewers, I hope you like the video. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And viewers, thanks for watching this video, and be happy.